Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our mathematics class with your maths teacher. Children, in last class we completed holidays are fun and how to check expiry date if manufacturing date is given for us. Today we are going to start another topic. Children, all of you open your textbook page number 49. Today's our topic is Tutun missed the train. Tutun's school had closed for the summer holidays. He went to his grandma's place. He met a lot of his cousins there. He was enjoying himself and did not want to go back home. Children, if holidays are given to us, we also go to our grandparents' house. There we will meet our cousins and we will enjoy a lot. Like that, Tutun also went to his grandparents' house in his holidays. One day, his mother said, "Tutun, pack your bag. The train leaves at 5:30 in the evening." Tutu is very upset. "Oh no, we are going back so soon. I wish we miss our train." He is thinking he wants to miss the train. But it's not possible. Tutun and his parents reached the station at 5:15. But guess what happened? They had actually missed the train. Tutu was very happy. Hooray! That means I am not going back today. Can you guess why they missed the train? Here is the discussion between station master and Tutu's father. Actually, the train had left at 5:30 in the morning. Tutu's parents were upset. They asked the station master. His father is asking the station master, "Our ticket says 5:30. "But sir, this means 5:30 in the morning," station master replied. "Oh yes, how could I forget that? The railways will write 17:30 for 5:30 in the evening." So then Tutu's father realized that railways always use 24-hour clock. Children, do you know what are the other departments that are using 24-hour clock? We already discussed about that. Yes, railways, airlines, military, astronomy, etc. Like these departments, they will use 24-hour clock. Okay, children? Here you can see some pictures in railway station and airlines airport, how they are mentioning the time. Is it clear, children? Suppose the train leaves at 8:30 at night. The time on the railway ticket would be, can you say ma'am? 8:30. 8:30 at night. How we will write in 24-hour clock? 12 after 8:30 means 12 after 12 noon. 12 noon after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so in 24-hour clock, how we will say 12 noon after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20, 30 hours. It will be 20, 30 hours in 24-hour clock. Children, I hope you understand this concept. Now, let us convert this 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon. 12 noon after, we will repeat in 12-hour clock. Again, we will get 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. That means 1 o'clock means 1 p.m. Afternoon means 1 p.m. That 1 o'clock will be 13 hours. 1 o'clock will be 13 hours. Like that 2 p.m. 14 hours. 3 p.m. 15 hours. 4 p.m. 16 hours. So here 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it will be in 24-hour clock. We can write it as 13 hours. Next, 3:30 in the afternoon. 3 o'clock means 15 hours. So these minutes as usual we will write the same. So 15:30 hours. Now 6 o'clock in the evening. So 6 o'clock means how many hours ma? 18. So it is 18 hours. Now 9:45 in the evening. 9:45 means minutes we will write same, but in hours we have to check. We convert hours into 24-hour clock. 9 hours it will become 21 hours. So 21:45 hours. So like this we have to convert 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. Is it clear, children? Good. Children, here is an activity for you. Activity time. Let us do the activity. Here, time in railway station is given for us. While observing that time, it is in the 24-hour format. So, we have to write this time in 12-hour format using AM or PM. Here we have railway timetable for Silad station. Train number is given for us, train name is given for us, expected time is given for us. Here you have to write the time using AM or PM. That means you have to mention the time in 12-hour clock. We have one more railway timetable. Observe it clearly and write this time in 12-hour clock. Here we have flight schedule. Observe the given table. We have airlines, time, destination, flight number, status. Write the time using 12-hour clock. Let us do one more activity. Fill the table by seeing your school diary 2019. Last year diary you have, I think so, children. By seeing the diary, you have to write summer holidays from to and count the number of days and write it here. Like that, autumn break, winter break and holidays after the exams. Note the time of sunrise and sunset by seeing newspaper or news, anything. You have to write the time of sunrise and time of sunset using 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Children, by this topic we completed the chapter tick tick tick. Let us have a quick revise what we learned in this chapter. Write the following dates in words. Children, all of you open your classworks and do this with me. Write the following dates in words. 6, 7, 10. You know that in date form, first we will get day, date, next month and the next year. So this is 6th. 7th month is what? Very good. July. This is 2010. This is the year. Next, look at the next one. 17/4/1983. So 17th, 4th month is what, ma? Anyone from the class? Very good. April 1983. Next, write the following dates in numbers. Here the dates are given in words for us. We have to write it in numbers. So 19th, date 19. July is 7th month. Very good. Year 2002. Next, 2nd December 2010. 2nd December is 12th month and 2010. This can be written as 10 or 2010. Both are correct only. Is it clear, children? Now, filling the blanks using AM or PM. Araja had lunch at 1:30. When you will eat? Afternoon. Afternoon means we will get PM. Arush wake up at 7. 7. When you will wake up? In the morning. Morning means AM. Pravalika had dinner at 9:30. Dinner means at night we will do. That means it will, here we will get PM. Now, Hasita go to bed at 11:30. When you will sleep, ma? At night. Night means what? PM. Did you understand, children? Very good. Let us convert time from 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock. Here we have 1820 hours. 1820 means, so if in this is called hours and these two denotes minutes. First two digits denotes hours, second two digits denotes minutes. So in 24-hour clock we will have in hours more than 12. So 13, 14 like that. So while converting into 12-hour clock, we need to subtract 12 from the hours. 12 from the hours. That means 1820. Only hours we have to subtract. 12 hours we have to subtract. So 0, 2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. So this means this is 6:20 PM. 6:20 PM. So in 24-hour clock, hours always more than 12. You should remember that. While converting into 12-hour clock, we need to subtract 12 from hours. Is it clear, children? Let us do one more problem. 21:55 hours. So 21:55 hours. So 20 more hours are more than 12. That means it is in 24-hour clock. It is clear for us. Now while converting, we need to subtract 12 hours. So here it is 55. Here we have 1. So which is less than 2. So we have to get borrow. So from this place we are getting borrow. So then how much here it is? How much, ma? Very good. Here it will become 11. So 11 minus 2. It is 9. So 21:55 means what? 9:55 PM. 9:55 PM. Is it clear, children? Now convert time from 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. At the first we have 2:40 PM. 2:40 PM. So 2:40 PM, this is afternoon, we know that clearly. While converting into 24-hour clock, for hours we need to add 12. 12 hours we need to add. So 12 hours. By adding 12 hours, how much we will get? Here 40, 2 plus 2, 4. So, here it is 1440 hours. Now, 8:30 a.m. In 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock, up to noon, up to 12, we will get the same time. So, here we will get 8:30 hours. (8:30 a.m. can be written as 8:30 hours. Is it clear, children? Now, let us say one more problem. What will be the time? 3 hours before 10:40 a.m. So, 3 hours before 10:40 a.m. That means from this time we need to subtract 3. So, 10 minus 3 how much, ma? Very good, 7. So, it is 7:40 a.m. or p.m. So, 10:40 a.m. So, there is no problem for us. Before time always it becomes a.m. only. It is 7:40 a.m. Now, 1 hour after 11:30 a.m. After means what? Addition we have to do. So, 11:30 plus 1 hour, which is nothing but what, ma? 12:30. So, 12:30 it is a.m. or p.m.? Very good. 12:30 p.m. So, after 12 noon, we will get p.m. Up to 12 noon, it will become a.m. 11:59. Once if we get 12 onwards, it is p.m. Is it clear, children? Now, let us see one more. How many hours is it from? So, 11 a.m. to 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. we need to simply do it by subtraction. 11 minus 9, how many we will get? 2 hours. It is 2 hours. Now, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. How many hours we will get? 9 minus 6, it is 3 hours. Is it clear, children? Now, convert hours into minutes. 9 hours 30 minutes. We know that clearly 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So, 9 hours will become 9 into 60. That means 540. 9 6 ja 54. 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 ja 54. So, 540 minutes these are. Now, we need 9 hours 30 minutes. So, add 30 minutes to this. How much we will get? 570 minutes. So, 9 hours 30 minutes will become 570 minutes. Is it clear, children? Like that, 2 hours. If we want to convert 2 hours, 2 into 60 minutes, which is nothing but 120 minutes. Okay. Now, let us see one more. Convert days into hours. 6 days, 6 hours. It is given for us. 1 day equals to how many hours? Can anyone from the class? 1 day equals to? Good. 24 hours. So, 6 days will become 6 into 24. Now, multiply it, ma. 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2, 4. So, which is nothing but 144 hours. Plus, how many hours we need to add? 6 hours. So, which is nothing but 6 plus 4, 10. 1 carry forward, 5. Total how many hours, ma? 150 hours. So, 6 days, 6 hours will become 150 hours. Is it clear, children? Suppose if I ask 5 days equals to how many hours? How you will convert? Yes, 5 days means 5 into 24 hours. So, 24 into 5, how much, ma? How much? 24 into 5? 120. Very good. Now, let us find number of days between 10th March to 15th April. When we are calculating the days, first let us see how many days are there in March month. In March we have 31 days. So 31 minus 10, which is nothing but 21 days. Up to March ending 21 days. Plus how many days left over here? 15. So 21 plus 15? 36. Total how many days? Between 10th March to 15th April we have total 36 days. Is it clear, children? Now, children, in this lesson what we learned, just once recall. The longer hand of a clock is called minute hand, and the shorter hand of a clock is called hours hand, and the long thin hand is said to be seconds hand. And then we know that clearly 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, and 1 year equals to 12 months. 1 week equals to how many days? 7 days. 1 day equals to 24 hours. And half an hour means how much, ma? 30 minutes. Children, that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.